Okay, I think this is gonna work, but I hope. I'm kind of hoping this works. Okay, ready?
Wait, I'm gonna set up my camera too.
I'm gonna start opening it, okay?
Okay.
I don't wanna open it!
Okay, let's open it. Okay. Do you wanna help?
No.
No.
It's too hard!
You don't wanna help?
I was helping.
You were helping?
I was. I gave up.
You was helping?
Yeah! Rip it off!
Okay.
Oh, it's in bags.
So plastic bags. Oh wow.
Ah, more plastic bags!
Lots of cards.
Business cards?
Business cards.
Oh, that's a badge! No! My pumpkin! It has a badge! Shut up! That's the bodysuit. The wings and everything. It looks
The
good!
wings
Its head. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Wow, it's really cute. Oh, look at its little tongue!
That suit.
I'm looking at it. You're killing me. I want to look at my new suit. Mean. Oh, so you're not even gonna film this part? No?
That's stupid.
What?
It didn't even record.
I wonder if mine's recording. I hope mine's recording.
Okay, it recorded some.
I have to sneeze. That was a very painful sneeze. I see a feet. Oh no, the badge. I think this is a feet. It is a feet.
It's a feat.
Look at the badge. Oh, that's a different one. Where did? Okay.
So many badges.
Why do they have so many? They're so awesome. I guess I don't need a badge for pumpkin then. Wow, look at that one. Not this one, but wow. Wow. Jeez. They're spectacular. I'll have to take pictures of this.
Pumpkin.
Wow.
I really
This
like
is
this one.
awesome. Can't believe I got this
Crazy.
thing for $200. That is gorgeous. You can tell they went to a lot of fur cons in this thing. Because you get a new badge every time you go to a fur con. That is spectacular. What is it? Enjoy pumpkin. Yes, she smells like pumpkins. Thanks for buying her. Does she smell like pumpkins?
I don't think so.
She smells like a fursuit. She's got all the hair on my nose trying to sniff it. Okay, she did that on purpose. She did that on purpose. I'm gonna do that now. Whenever I sell my fursuits, I'm gonna say that they smell like something so people get a bunch of fur up their nose. Okay.
At first I saw orange and I was like, it's neon.
Neon doesn't get here in a day, honey. It doesn't work that
I
way.
can dream, can't I?
Yeah, he's gonna get here in like 2 more days. Cause Yuko got here in like 2 days. Oh my god, let's see if I can get this thing on. Oh.